know her preference, his preference. Like, for example, kung ganahan
Yung type?
siya, yung type. Pero, parang ako, don't change yourself just for that person. Be you, eh.
Ipabalan nimo ilang type. Na imong usbo nimo gagalingon jud as a whole. Yun ako. Lahi na siya. Kaya in the long run, for sure mabalik mo jud. Makita mo jud na imong true colors. So, era pug sa di ka pilion.
May color na ako.
Si color.
Yun na, eh.
Pero describe di ka as a color. Maybe yellow.
Yellow?
Sinlaki ka sa mong mata. Sakit mo just mata.
Sige. If ako, if color ka, Genesis,
Sa naman po?
pink.
Kulo.
Dili man. Favorite man akong pink. Di favorite ikaw. Hey guys, it's Sam.
Ako day, Genesis.
From a hook and nami diri karon sa Tabuk Tubig branch of Yellow. Nami diri karon sa Yellow Tabuk Tubig branch near Don Bosco. So we all know that Yellow is known for its frozen yogurts, Nutro Uno, Dos, and Yo Freeze. But we are pleased to announce nga nasa yung mga bagong products sa ilahang menu, which is
Chicken wings
chicken
meal.
wings.
So, mo nila guys, ilahang chicken wings meals.
Chicken wings.
Kasi like 4 different flavors. They have buffalo wings. Yeah, ba? They're gochujang. They're soy garlic. And ilahang salted egg. Oh, it looks so good.
Their chicken wings also comes with dipping sauces, which they have ranch cheese, Alabama, and cheese pimiento.
They also have their french fries overload. Tawa guys, unsa kadagan lang.
Mami, kailan taon?
Tantawon.
Ginutom na ako. Pwede na paksian.
Overload ba? Dagan na sila.
They also have different other products like nachos, fries overload, and their smoothies, which we have here. Strawberry.
Melon and green apple. And also, they will be releasing their new chicken skins.
Nami, kailang fries. 179 only. Nadaghan kaayo. Worth it.
That's their chicken chunks, right? That's chicken chunks.
I'm trying the salted egg.
Na-intrigue ako sila ano ba? Sila ang... Sa yung lasa. Bula po gamukha og chicken wings.
Ute. Wali po na.
Soy garlic.
Padip
Good.
naman. Hindi kita man mong mama.
Where's the tissue?
Shout out, Carlo. Ikaw to baga
Ikaw to baga na.
Yan ako man.
Sige ko
Sige, fine. Makablo kang palangga baka if... Hindi ko katabaga na ba eh. Ambot,
Hindi
marag,
ka palangga nimo.
bisag mag-away mo, kay mo find ways pa dyan siya. Nga, magka-okay mo, communication.
Okay.
Kaya.
Tingnan na din na.
Oo.
Pero yun ako ano, ma-feel yun mo nga. Palangga pa kanya. Matab siya panahon para niyo. Leon. Basta ginagmay lang. Nila po yung small efforts. And then, basta gipit kayo. Basta kalisod mo sa kinabuhi. Nandiyan kayo panahon para niyo.
True.
No?
Nami,
Lasa ka niyo mong garlic.